Well, good morning, everybody. A very foggy start to our morning out here, as you see just outside of our door here at the KSMB Studios north of Hastings. Again, visibility is down around a quarter of a mile or so at times here, although it looks like it's already slowly improved. That visibility dropped here earlier this morning. As we kind of take you on downstairs now to our TV studio, I'll take you to our weather graphics. Again, the fog, the big concern this morning, but once we get rid of that, things are going to get a whole lot better later on today. So as we take you through the weather center and through the TV studio here, you'll see, get some of my graphics set up here. And again, after the fog burns off, we're going to see a pretty nice day overall. So let's get things situated for today. We'll start off by getting this graphic or this my camera phone set up here. And there we go. All right, so anyway, a great day after this fog burns off here, and we're talking about record-breaking temperatures later on. Now, we do have one severe weather class I want to get to real quick here. Custer County, up at Sargent, northeastern Custer County at the fire hall, you have a severe weather class being put on by the North Platte National Weather Service. That will start at 7 o'clock this evening, so if you live in that area, I encourage you to go to that class, an hour and a half long or so. You'll get some great information. You could learn maybe how to help them out in your area, the National Weather Service out with some storm spotting during the severe weather season here as it quickly approaches. Now let's get on to the forecast. Now first off, I want to mention before anything else that we do have red flag warnings out for today from about Hall County southward and westward here. These locations are going to be looking at a dry day along with a very strong wind, so the fire danger is going to be high. That red flag warning will go from noon until 7 o'clock this evening. So the Tri-Cities back towards Lexington, Ogallala, North Platte southward here, basically looking at that for today. Again, the foggy conditions this morning. Winds are going to pick up out of the south today, and as that happens, we'll see that fog clear up, and we'll see plenty of sunshine for much of the day today. So a warm, windy day. In fact, a record-breaking day for the day today. A few showers out towards the west. Most of us are going to stay dry. The atmosphere is very capped. Even with a dry line, we have a front that's going to be crossing through the area. It'll be tough to get any kind of precipitation going other than out towards the west here. Maybe a couple of stray showers, even a thunder shower out in the eastern part of the state overnight. Cool conditions, 40s for overnight lows, partly cloudy skies, and then heading into tomorrow, partly cloudy skies continue. Mild conditions, even despite that cold front coming through. Now, we are going to be much colder tomorrow, or much cooler tomorrow than today's record highs. In fact, as I mentioned, I'll get to those records here in just a bit. We're still going to be looking at temperatures a good 15 degrees above average as we get into your day on Tuesday here. So a very nice day still expected, just not as warm as today. Let's look at your highs for today. We're going to top out in the mid to upper 70s, near 80 up north. In that early fog, then mostly sunny skies. Not as much wind up north. The farther south you go in our viewing area, the stronger the winds will be today, especially near that Nebraska-Kansas border. Mid to upper 70s to right around 80 or lower 80s here. Light winds picking up through the day today. Same story in the south. Light winds picking up. Early fog, then mostly sunny skies. Low 80s down in northern Kansas, around 79 to 81 degrees. Now, record highs for today. The record in GI, it is 73 degrees. For Hastings, it's 78 degrees. We should shatter those records. The record in Kearney is 83. Don't know if we're going to get that high, though. As for the Lincoln area, your record is about 74 degrees. I'm forecasting 80, so should be able to shatter a record out there, looking at upper 70s and lower 80s out towards the east, also looking at strong winds. Your extended forecast, it's a quiet one for the most part. I have no precipitation in the forecast for the Tri-Cities. There are a few chances here and there in the southeast part of the state, but not much out there. So pretty quiet conditions. Again, today, the record-breaking day. After that, still very mild. Average high, mid to upper 40s right now, and we are going to be way above that all the way through the upcoming weekend. And it looks like even the first couple of days of next week, still going to keep the very mild conditions around the 50s, 60s, and at times even some 70s out there. Otherwise, there's just not a lot to talk to, which I think is just fine. The only thing other to mention is that this upcoming weekend we do spring forward. The clock change will be happening this weekend ahead of us, so that means we'll have later sunsets around 7:30 or so. Sunrise will move back to around 8 a.m. In the morning here, but that will improve as we continue to move into the late winter months and through the spring months here over the next several months to come. So again, not much to complain about weather-wise. We could use some moisture. That's probably the biggest thing at this point, and unfortunately, there's just not much in the forecast. So until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Kleneski, and I hope you have a great Monday.